you everything from my creator library to the AI production kit to the creator's playbook, and then to the faceless workflow. And then, on top of all of that, I've loaded you with bonuses. I've given you free tools. I've given you free prompts. I've given you support group. I've given you the monetization challenge where you can win cash or a brand new phone from me if you're one of the first 2 people that hit the 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscriber mark on YouTube. Now, if I were to put all of this together, the total value is massive. I mean, it's in fact, let me even show you what you're getting. Let me show you. See, you're getting Mackenzie's creator library that is worth 250,000 naira. You're getting AI production toolkit that is worth 300,000 naira. You're getting the creator playbook for just 400,000, and then you're getting the faceless video system that is 500,000. Everything put together is 1,450,000. But wait, stay with me. Let me tell you what I'm going to do for you today. Now, it's the beginning because I'm also giving you some powerful bonuses. Now, these bonuses are the private student community that is worth 250,000 naira, the AI content bank that is worth 150,000 naira, the direct support asset that is worth 200,000 naira, the monetization challenge that is at 300,000 naira already, and everything is running down to 900,000 naira. Now, if you added everything together, the main program, the value is at 1,450,000 naira. The bonus program, the value is at 900,000 naira. If you added everything together, it will amount to 2,350,000 naira. Okay. Normally, if you came to me and said, "Oh, do this for me one-on-one, take me by the hand, teach me everything step by step, carry me, do all the work and show me," I will charge you 10 million naira. Yes, that's for my time. That's what I will charge you for my time. But because this is recorded, it's packaged and structured, I'm not charging you 10 million naira. I'm not even charging you 1 million naira. I'm not also charging you 500,000 naira. Now, your investment today to join the anonymous YouTube blueprint and also get all the 4 bonuses for yourself will just be for how much? How much? 50,000 naira only. For 50,000 naira, you're going to get everything that I have mentioned here. You're going to get the main course and you're going to get the bonuses for just 50,000 naira. Not 10 million naira, not 5 million naira, not 1 million naira, not 500,000 naira, but 50,000 naira. Your life is going to change for 50,000 naira. You're going to start earning from 500 to 3,000 to 4,000 to 10,000 to 9,000 to $15,000 every single month consistently just by investing how much? 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira. You're not investing it in any commodity. You're investing it in yourself. You're investing it in the tool that I'm going to just carry and give you. And you don't need to do a lot of work. You're not doing a lot of work after this investment. All you need to do is pick and drop, pick and drop, pick and drop, pick and drop. And this particular course is very, very unique. You know why? You don't need to show yourself. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to have the stress. You don't need to make mistakes. You don't need to regret because you're not showing your face. You are just an entrepreneur that has created a business that does not stress you. For 50,000 naira, I'll give you everything you need to start this business. Right? Now, all you need to do, take a smart step today. Take a smart step today. Make this move today. All you need to do is make a payment into this bank account. The bank account on the screen right now. Make payment into this bank account right now. It's Mark Angel Film Academy. The account number is 01266088894. And after making that payment, send proof of payment to the number on the screen, 07077343817. Now, here's another thing. we want to limit this to just 100 people. So, I can say, oh, look, 1,000 people should pay money, and no, I don't want that. I don't want that. We want to limit it to 100 people. The reason is this: because of the direct access that I'm going to give you to me, because of the support that I'll be giving to you, I want to concentrate on the first 100 people. We're going to make it badge by badge. This badge is 100,000 naira, right? It's 50,000 naira. This badge is 50,000 naira. The next badge is not going to be 50,000 naira. We are doubling. The next badge is going to be, the next badge is probably going to be 100,000 naira. So this badge is just 50,000 naira. With 50,000 naira, you're going to get everything in this pack. With 50,000 naira, your life is going to change. With 50,000 naira, you start making money unimaginable on YouTube. With 50,000 naira, you don't need to show yourself on YouTube. You don't need to show your face on YouTube. You don't need to spend a lot of time creating videos. Or with 50,000 naira, you will not need to do trial and error. With 50,000 naira, you are about to be blown away. With 50,000 naira, your life is about to change. With 50,000 naira, you are going to start a YouTube business that you never imagined could exist. You're going to start making money that you never imagined you could make with 50,000 naira. Just make this payment right now. Right now, if I were you, I make this payment because I'm closing it up at 100. After 100 people pay this 50,000 naira, the first batch has started, and we'll stop receiving payment. We'll stop the payment. So if you're watching this right now, then you're probably a candidate for the first batch, because the next batch is not going to be 50,000. Next time you see me here, it's not going to be 50,000 naira. It's going to be 100,000 or 150,000 naira. Because we're going to keep increasing it, because it's my time. I'm going to be supporting, so I will need, So just make payment of 50,000. Let's go over what you are getting. Like I said, we're giving access to just 100 people. Just 100 people. Because I'm involved, I'm going to be there with you. I want to train the first 100 people and make sure that we are successful, and before we can start taking other people. So it's the first 100 people. After 100 people, we are not taking payment again. So if you're here right now, make the payment. Send your proof of payment to the number on the screen. Send your proof of payment to the number on the screen. What's the number on the screen? Let's go back over to it again. It is Mark Angel Team Academy. The account number is here. The account number is 01266088894. 01266088894. Wema Bank. 01266088894. And then send your proof of payment on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, please. Send your proof of payment on WhatsApp to 07077343817. Send your proof of payment to 07077343817. Pardon me. Okay, now it's limited to just 100 people, right? Now, like I told you, my team has said that in the next 72 hours they're going to change the price. Well, if I were you, I make that payment now. Make the payment of 50,000 naira and send proof of payment to the number that I called. Send your proof of payment so that we will know that you send it early in this batch, right? Now, the number is 01266088894. It's Wema Bank. Make that payment right now. And let's get you enrolled. Let's get you to the community. Make that payment right now and come into my family of mentees, so that I can hold you by the hand and teach you and show you and give you all the tools that you need to become a successful YouTuber in 2025. All the tools that you need to start making money without having to show your face, start making money without the stress of personality, without branding, without, some people will say without shame. All right. You start making money without shame. Pay that money right now and start making money on YouTube. In a few weeks, you're going to start making a lot of money on YouTube. So, now, you know that at least 10,000 people are going to rewatch this. So, I'm very sure that it's not to get it. So, if you're paying, pay now. If you're paying, pay now. A lot of people are going to rewatch this video. And by the time we get to 100, we're going to close up that space, so you cannot make payment again. If you're not paying now, then that slot is going to get filled up, and you might likely be forced to enter the next batch. You likely enter the next batch. I mean, yeah. Okay, where to pay to is Wema Bank, Mark Angel Film Academy, 0126608894. 0126608894. Wema Bank. Pay and send your proof of payment to 07077348117. That is where you should pay. Send your proof of payment and WhatsApp. Send it on WhatsApp. Please, I beg you in the name of God. After making your payment, please, I beg you, please send proof of payment. Please send proof of payment with a number that can be reached. Please send proof of payment with a number that can be reached. Don't use your auntie's number to send it. If not, your auntie will be brought into the community and not you. Use your number, and if you know that it's not your number, please indicate it that your own number, that is not your number, so that I can tell you, okay, you can discuss, and I tell you, oh, give me the number that I'm going to use to bring you into my community. Give me the email that I'm going to use to add you to the tool that will bring you into the community. I wouldn't want to add your uncle into the community when it's not your uncle that is taking the course. Okay, now let's go over to everything you're getting in the course. I told you you're getting Mark Angel Creator Library that is valued at 250,000 naira. You're getting the AI production toolkit that is valued at 300,000 naira. You're getting the Creator Playbook that is valued at 400,000 naira. You're getting the FACELESS video system that is valued at 500,000 naira. Everything is totaling at 1,450,000 naira. And you're also getting bonuses. These bonuses are private student community that is valued at 250,000 naira. You're getting the AI content bank that is valued at 150,000 naira. You're getting the direct support asset that is valued at 200,000 naira. You're getting the monetization link that is valued at 300,000 naira. That is totaling at 900,000 naira. If you add this so far, you're going to have the main program valued at 1.45 million naira, and the bonus that is valued at 900,000 naira put together to come to 2,350,000 naira. But that is not what you're paying. You're not paying it. You're not paying that. You're paying just 50,000 naira, just 50,000 naira to gain access to all these values. You're adding just 50,000 naira is what you're paying today. 50,000 naira you're paying today. And we're taking 100 people, and after 100 people, I'm going to close it up. I'm going to close it up because I want to concentrate and train just 100 people. Then, after training 100 people and getting 100 people to start making their own money, then we can now jump into the next batch. Please do well to be among the first batch. Do well to be among the first batch, because I mean it's going to take some time to get into the next batch. Please, the first 100 people, pay when you make your payment to this account number, Wema Bank, Mark Angel Film Academy, 01266088894. 012668894. Send your proof of payment to 07077343817. 07077343817. Now, imagine this. 90 days from now, your channel is like monetized and making money for you. You look back and you'll be glad that you made this decision. 90 days from now, you're going to look back and say, oh, wow, thank God I actually joined that class. Thank God I actually had Mark Angel take me by the hand and show me what to do. Thank God I had Mark Angel show me how to fish. Thank God I had Mark Angel. I gave him the opportunity to show me how he has succeeded. I had Mark Angel take me by the hand and take me through the steps that have helped him and his team succeed. 90 days from now, I promise you, once you make money, make this payment to Mark Angel Film Academy with account number 01266088894 and send your proof of payment to 07077343817. I promise you, you're going to look back and you're going to say, thank God for the day I made this decision. Guys, look, I know you're excited, but some of you are still thinking, what if it doesn't work for me? Good. Let's talk about that right now. I don't have a laptop. I don't have a camera. You don't need to have all of that. With just your phone, CapCut for editing, Canva for thumbnail, and the AI content bank for idea and script, you can publish your first video in weeks. I tell you, trust me. See, if phone plus free app remove the biggest excuse, is there anything else really stopping you? Look, if phone plus free app can remove the biggest excuses, is there anything else stopping you? Is there anything else stopping you? Make that payment right now. Make it to Mark Angel Film Academy. The account number 0126608894. Wema Bank. 0126608894. Mark Angel Film Academy. Please, I beg in the name of God. This is the only place that you gain access to the course. If you go elsewhere and somebody tells you, oh, Mark Angel, come in, please. This is the only place that we give you access to the course. Now, if somebody tells you to send money to an account number and says it's Mark Angel one thing, they form something, please don't get scammed, because you don't gain access to the course. You don't have to pay your money somewhere that you don't get access to the course. Please, I'm begging in the name of God. Make sure you send proof of payment to the number on the screen. The number on the screen, this particular number is 07077343817. Send proof of payment to this number. Please. Data and NEPA wahala. Well, I get it. Now, here's what you need to do. Get you 5 contents and script them at once. Then edit them offline with CapCut. Then upload them at night. Because you know that at night, data is cheap at night. You use the midnight subscription. Data is cheap at night. And at night, most people are not online, so the network is free. Right? So, you don't need network. You don't need NEPA. What you need is to be smart and consistent. You don't need to just be online. It's not about being online. It's about being smart, doing it at the right time. Right? If batch creating plus overnight upload makes it easier for you, then can you give this 90 days? Can you do it for 90 days? Make this payment right now and become part of the first batch. Make payment to Mark Angel Film Academy with account number 0126608894 Wema Bank, and send proof of payment to 07077343817. Send your proof of payment to that number right now. Are you making that payment? Right now? Are you joining the first batch? Are you joining the first batch of people that are going to start making their first money in few weeks? Are you joining the first batch of people that are going to start testing the benefit of YouTube in few weeks? Are you joining those people right now? Or you're just there looking at me and taking notes? Is it just notes you're taking, or you're taking action? Don't just take notes. Take action right now. Now, some people will say, I don't want to show my face or use my real voice. Okay, that's exactly why this is called anonymous, right? In the first place, that's why it's called anonymous. You will learn AI voiceover options, background visual, caption, and simple editing, so that your identity stays private 100%. This is what this course is about. I'm teaching you how to stay private 100%. Now, don't forget, make your payment right now and become one of the first people in the first batch. Make your payment right now and start creating video without your face being shown. Make a payment right now and have the opportunity to brand your channel and not having to worry about your personality. Where do you make your payment to? Mark Angel Film Academy, Wema Bank, 0126608894. And how much are you paying? 50,000 naira, just 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira, it is not 500,000 naira, it is not 200,000 naira, it is not 100,000 naira, it's 50,000 naira. Just pay a one-time 50,000 naira and you gain access to all the benefits. Everything that I have explained to you right now, you gain access, and your life will not remain the same. I promise you. Look back in 3 months, come back in 3 months and tell me if your life does not change. There are 2 things. It is either I didn't do my work well, or you didn't do your work well. And I tell you, I have done all the work. It is now in your court to do the work by following the steps that I've given you. And the steps are not just those steps that I say, okay, do this and do that. And I have done all the things. Just take action. Just use your own hand, pick it and drop it. Pick it and drop it. All I have done for you is so that you can pick and drop. Pick and drop. You don't need to do a lot of work. Just dedicate small time of your day. Dedicate small time out of your day and do the work and post. Just go post or command the computer to post for you. That's all you need to do. Pay 50,000 naira right now, and I'm going to give you every tool that you need to become a creator in 2025. To become a creator, so that you can look back in 2026, 2027 and say, oh, thank God I made that investment in my life. Thank God I made that decision in my life. Thank God I joined that group. Thank God I entered that class. Thank God I bought that course. This is not just a course. This is partnership. This is me introducing you into my life. This is me and you working together to make your life better. It is not just a course. I'm not just selling a course and giving to you and letting you, oh, okay, go and figure it out. No. I am giving you tools and telling you, my friend, my brother, my sister, let us do this together. And I believe that we're going to do it together. Make that payment right now. Where do you pay money to? Pay money to Wema Bank, Mark Angel Film Academy, 012 6608894, and make sure you send your proof of payment to 07077343817. Okay. Some people will say, I'm not a tech person. Well, you don't have to be a tech person. All you need to do is just watch the video and do exactly what I say you should do. Make your payment right now with the information on the screen. The information is on the screen right now. Make your payment to the information on the screen. The information on the screen, make your payment right now with that information. Some people say, YouTube is saturated. It is too late. No. People say that every year. And every year, new channels blew up. Why? Fresh angles. With our AI content bank, your scripts are unique. With niches like revenge, folktale, bedtime story, motivation, history, you can stand out. The algorithm rewards consistency and originality. And I tell you, these tools are going to keep you original and consistent, and you're going to blow up. Make sure you make your payment right now so that you can join this batch. Make sure you make your payment right now. Make your payment right now and start enjoying the benefit of YouTube. Remember that YouTube pays creators every month, and that is consistent. If you are tired of your job and you want something, you can start making YouTube a side hustle. Start making YouTube a side hustle. Before you know it, you probably don't want your job anymore. All right? Don't want it. Maybe in the long run, you won't want your job anymore. You just concentrate. So this is the best time to start something that is going to change your life. This is the best time to start something that is going to change your community, that's going to change the life of your family. This is the right time. All you need to do is invest a token of 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira. Remember that if you do the work, if you take step-by-step guide that I tell you, you can earn 150,000 naira in the coming month or in 3 months' time, because I'm giving out 300,000 naira to creators who do what I tell them to do. All right. Some people will be like, will YouTube monetize AI content? Yes. So if your content is original and adds value, YouTube will monetize it. So we don't re-upload or steal ideas or content. We generate unique scripts with the content bank. Edit with your structure, add voiceover, visuals, and thumbnail. That's transformation. That's what YouTube approves. Now, don't forget that with the information on the screen, you can join this course right now. You can learn everything you need to learn. I can take you by the hand and show you what to do and give you all the tools that you need. I've done all the work for you. All you need to do is to press the command and say, oh yeah, upload, oh yeah, upload, oh yeah, upload. That is what you're doing literally. That is what you're literally doing. Okay. Some people will be like, I don't have time. Remember I said you could spare 2 hours per day. That's literally all you need. 2 hours a day can change your life forever. 2 hours a day will change your life forever. 2 hours a day. All you need is 2 hours a day. You don't need much. Just 2 hours a day and your life will change forever. Don't forget the information is still on the screen. The information is still on the screen. Pay money to Mark Angel Film Academy. And how much are you paying? You're paying just 50,000 naira to Mark Angel Film Academy. Just 50,000 naira is what you're paying to Mark Angel Film Academy. And the account number is Wema Bank 0126608894. Then send proof of payment to 07077343817. Okay. 50,000 naira is a lot of money. Yeah. Okay. That's what some people are saying. I understand it. But think about what it buys you. A complete system that can pay you in dollars every month. How much is $50,000? Sorry. How much is 50,000 naira? 50,000 naira is just 35,000. So $35. Once you get monetized, that's a chicken change. That's something that is not even something you should put in question. Once you get monetized, that's not something you should put in question. So the investment, the money you pay to change your life is 50,000 naira. I promise you, you're going to look back and say, oh, 50,000 naira. Okay. Now, many people spend 50K on one weekend. One ashebi, one hangout with friends. This particular 50K buys you a new income stream. This one will just buy you a new income stream. It's not buying you ashebi. It's not buying you beer. It's not buying you something that you will not find tomorrow. Go buy something you can hand over to another generation. Buy you something you will hand over to another generation. Something another generation will appreciate you for. Something your name will be remembered for. That is what this 50,000 naira is buying you. Where do you pay money to? Where do you pay money to? Wema Bank. The account name is Mark Angel Film Academy. The account number is 066088894. Send proof of payment to the number on the screen. Send proof of payment to the number on the screen. People say I'm shy. What will people say? Okay. They will know it's you. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody is gonna know that you're doing YouTube. Nobody is gonna know that you're making money. Your village people are not going to come and call you to village meeting and say you should buy the whole village. Nobody is gonna know that you're making money. For those of you that are afraid of your village people pursuing you, nobody's gonna know your moves. They're gonna be buying property and buying cars in the dark, in the backyard. Nobody's gonna follow you, and nobody's gonna do you juju. All right. You have peace of mind. You build quietly, end quietly, and surprise them later. That is if you care to surprise them. The account number is still on the screen. Just make your payment right now and join the future. Join the future. What if it doesn't work for me? Oh, see, let me be real with you. Nobody can guarantee effort you don't put in. If you just buy this course and sit down, nothing will happen. So let me not even promise you. If you know you're going to buy this course and go and sit down, don't buy you. Just visit this video right now. Don't buy. Woman, let me not have a faith student, I beg. But if you follow the plan step by step, use the content bank we prepared, and stay consistent with your posting, your chances of blowing on YouTube are high. And to ginger you more, we added something special, the monetization challenge. So if you're among the two people that first get monetized on YouTube, you're going to get 150,000 naira or a phone, right? So the account to pay to is still on the screen. Pay right now. Pay right now. Here's everything you're getting. Mark Angel, Creator Library, AI Production Kit, the Creator Playbook, the FACELESS video system that's valued at 1,450,000 naira plus 4 powerful bonuses, private student community, AI content bank, direct support access, monetization challenge that is valued at 900,000 naira. So if you add everything together, it's valued at 2,350,000 naira. All for how much? For 50,000 naira. I'm giving it out for 50,000 naira, just 50,000 naira. Pay to Wema Bank, Mark Angel Film Academy, and send proof of payment, and then you'll be added to the community, you'll be added to the course, and you'll be added to my private community where I start talking to you one-on-one. You can discuss anything you want to discuss with me. Okay. Now here are the frequently asked questions. Will you teach about YouTube from scratch? Yes, I will. Will you be teaching YouTube analytics? Yes, I will. I already have a YouTube channel. Is this for me? Yes, it is for you. It is for you. You're probably doing things that you're not supposed to be doing. You're probably not applying the best practices on YouTube, and I'm going to show you the best practices on YouTube. Is this a membership or just a course? It's a membership and a course put together, because 450,000 naira. That's everything you're getting. Now, you're also getting it with powerful bonuses here on the screen. That's valued at 900,000 naira. If you put everything together, it is 2,350,000 naira. All you need to pay is not 2,350,000 naira. You need to pay 50,000 naira. Remember, this is only valid for the next 72 hours. For the next 72 hours, you pay 50,000 naira for this course. 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira. Okay. This is the account to pay to. 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 Now, I'm going to call it a day. I'll close the curtain and I'll see you in the class. So, I'm expected to see you. I'm expected to answer any other question you have to ask. I'll be answering it personally. I'll be answering it with you, talking with you. The next voice you're going to be hearing is my voice and the voice of the people from my team. I'll see you in the class. If you've made your payments right now, if you're among the people I see a lot of people are making payments. Please make sure that you send your proof of payment to the number on the screen. Please make sure you send your proof of payment to the number on the screen. Make sure you send your proof of payment to the number on the screen. All of you is making payments right now. All those people that have made payment, please send your proof of payment to the number on the screen right now so that they enroll immediately. Please, see you in class. See you in class. Bye-bye.